Yes, I'm Bhim Ghaley, and I'm working as a lecturer at the University of Copenhagen for the last 10 years. And yeah, work with a couple of projects, EU projects, and also Iranian projects. And in Flexi Surplus, I work with SustainFARM, which is about how to improve integrated food and non-food systems. The aim of SustainFARM project is really to look at how are these different agroforestry systems built. So what are the different components of these agroforestry systems across the European landscape. So we had 7 partners and 6 different systems where we can looked at this integrated food and non-food systems, described what are the different components and what are the gaps in these systems, so that we could go in and improve the systems for both for agronomic productivity as well as economic viability. Well, our key findings is that the agroforestry has multiple streams of income. So in that way, this gives the farmers a stable flow of income, because if they lose on one crop, then they can depend on the other enterprises in the agroforestry. So that is a big advantage of agroforestry. And agroforestry also has some trees and crop components. So in that way, they also use, and they are more resource efficient because they use water and nutrient from different profiles in the soil. So in that way, we also use the resources much more efficiently, and we saw that in our land equivalent ratios, where we always had higher productivity in agroforestry systems. Well, the next step is really to build a model agroforestry system, and when I say but I would say a different model systems depending on your socioeconomic context. So you would probably first look at your local market and see what are the different products that can be sold out in this local market, and then you would build a system, agroforestry system, that can give different products and that has also a value in your local market. So in that way, the farmers could come and actually see how this agroforestry works, so they can make a decision on if these systems are something they would go for. Well, I think the general trend is that agroforestry systems are seen as very traditional, age-old systems, but actually they are very knowledge-intensive systems, because you need knowledge on different enterprises and how to integrate them and look at the whole workload and what are the different income streams. So it is a very knowledge intensive system, and we need to accept this and actually bring this message forward to our advisors, agriculture advisors, to the politicians, and tell them this is a system that we really need to work on, because this is not only about providing food, fodder and energy, but it's also providing whole range of ecosystem services, cleaning our water, and bringing up nutrients from deep profiles in the soils, and also addressing climate change through carbon sequestration and enhancing biodiversity.